Hello everyone, in today's class we will study question number 4, explain the properties of cloud computing, and it is the delivery of computing services like storage, servers, databases, networking, and software over the internet, instead of using a personal computer or local server. It provides flexibility, cost efficiency, and global accessibility. The properties of cloud computing are: 1. On-demand service. Cloud allows users to access computing resources whenever they need them, without human help from IT staff. Example: a developer can instantly launch a virtual machine on us without waiting for setup. 2. Broad network access. Cloud services are available over the internet and can be accessed from different devices such as laptops, smartphones, or tablets. Example: you can open your Google Docs on your phone, laptop, or tablet, anytime and anywhere. 3. Measured service. Cloud providers keep track of your resource usage like storage or bandwidth and charge you only for what you use. Example: if you store 10 gigabytes of data on Google Drive, you pay only for that 10 gigabytes, not more. 4. Scalable architecture. Cloud resources can increase or decrease based on demand, so performance remains stable even during high traffic. Example: an e-commerce site can add more servers during a flash sale to handle heavy customer traffic. 5. Location independence. Users can access cloud services from anywhere, regardless of their physical location. Example: a remote team from different countries can still collaborate on platforms like GitHub or Trello. 6. Security and data protection. Cloud providers use strong security features like encryption and access control to protect user data. Example: Microsoft Azure provides end-to-end encryption and role-based access to safeguard company data.